Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here, and this is day 4 of trading with the Thinkorswim TD Ameritrade platform. And in today's video, we're just going to be talking about some trading tips. These tips are not in any particular order, but they're just tips that I picked up from since I started. These are just based off of what I've done in the past, and maybe you can learn something from it. So let's get started. Tip number 1, don't trade every day. So just because you can trade every day doesn't mean you have to trade every day. Because you're calling yourself a day trader, again, that doesn't mean you have to trade every day. Usually what happens is when you start profiting, at least in my experience, you start making these gains every day, and then by the 3rd or 4th day you experience a loss, giving back all those gains. Now again, we're trying to better ourselves and become a more disciplined trader. So tip number 1 I should say, don't trade every day. Tip number 2 is to keep your profits very realistic. People come into this market thinking, oh, I'm gonna make $1 million on one trade. That's not gonna happen. Or I'm gonna make hundreds of thousands of dollars and stuff. That's not gonna happen. Realistically, try to keep your profits as you would expect. Like you see on my past videos, I've been trying to keep a constant profit, let's say $20, $40 or so. Now we know that as we start getting more experience, we will eventually start scaling up into making more and more money. But that's not the case. The case is to, when you're starting off, always keep profits realistic. And the third and last tip is try to stick to coupled stocks, either 1 or 2, maybe 3 stocks. Again, these are based off of my experience. I remember when I first started off, I used to trade tons of stocks like pharmaceuticals, all the technology companies, everything. So what I've noticed is once I start sticking to 1 or 2 stocks, eventually I started getting more and more confident in that one stock that I'm looking at. As you guys can see, that I'm focused on Cisco stock, CSCO, and we're just trying to see if we can find the pattern in order to get these constant gains. Like that's what we're looking for, consistently getting gains. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope you guys learned something from this. I'd appreciate it if you smash that like button and subscribe, hit that notification bell. You guys already know what to do. This is YouTube. Peace.